My name is Emma. I live in a small town called Simpleville. Every morning I wake up at 7 o'clock. I open the window and look at the sky. Sometimes there is sun, sometimes there are clouds. I check the weather and choose what to wear. Today is Monday. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. I use soap and towel. I get dressed, jeans, a shirt, and shoes. I go to the kitchen. My mother makes coffee and toast with butter. I say good morning to my father, brother, and sister. We eat breakfast together. My baby sister plays with her toy. After breakfast, I go to my room, take my bag, and walk to school. My school is near my house. I go there by foot. In my classroom, there are desks, chairs, and a big board. My teacher says, "Good morning, class," and we all say, "Good morning." We start with math, then English. We learn new words like animal, mountain, and river. I write the words in my notebook with my pen. I sit between my friends Tom and Lucy. During the break, we eat apples, bananas, and drink water. We talk about the weekend, play games like football and hide and seek. Everyone is happy. After school, I go to the market with my aunt. We buy milk, eggs, bread, cheese, and some fruit. We ask the shopkeeper, "How much is this?" And he says, "It's €5." We go to the bank, the post office, and then the library. I borrow a book about space and planets. My aunt buys a new dress from the clothes shop. We take the bus home. The driver is friendly. I look out the window and see many cars, bicycles, and people walking. I love watching the city. In the evening, we have dinner at home. My grandmother cooks rice, chicken, and vegetables. We drink juice and eat cake for dessert. After dinner, I help to wash the dishes. Later, I sit on the sofa with my family. We watch a film about an adventure in the desert. I feel tired, so I go to my bedroom, change into my pajamas, and read a little. I write in my diary, "Today was a good day. I learned new things, helped my family, and had fun with my friends." I set my alarm, turn off the light, and say, "Good night."